Look, I guess I'm relatively new to the AgileTD Days family. I've been coming for about only 3 or 4 years. But it's really grown on me. You know, this conference I learned about the rider and the elephant, right? And it's an analogy about your brain and your heart and how your heart drives most of what you do. So, and I think this is like Agile Testing Days is all about heart. And so it really helps people to understand that this is what testing is all about. This is what's going to drive. This is the elephant. So we're all elephants. It's great.
So the speaker's meal is very nice. It's definitely worth coming to, and you get a present at the end, which is also very nice. And you get to come to the conference for free. So the only reason I can actually come to a European conference is if I speak at it. Otherwise, my work does not allow me to come. So that's what got me into speaking in foreign conferences in the first place. And I've really enjoyed it, and I've really got a lot out of it.
Well, first and foremost, it's unlike a lot of conferences, you get to come here for free. They cover all expenses. You get to participate in an amazing event and connect with a lot of amazing people. And I've seen someone saying in the past that being involved in this can really further your career, and it's true, at least in my experience.
Coming and staying here to meet people and to learn new things, and also to let you share your experience.
I've been a participant a few times, and I like the conference. And I know that the conference is open to a bit more daring, weird topics, and I have a weird topic, so I decided Agile Testing Days is a good chance to get it placed.
I come here mostly because of the people. I learn so much from our conversations that I have in the hallway track. I listen to a lot of new talks and new topics, and then I get to spend one-on-one time with the people who give those talks and learn from them and learn with them. I get to inspire other people, and they get to inspire me, and that kind of community that we build is really, really useful to me and really valuable.